To access your Blush Academy online courses, there are two ways. Click the courses link at the top of the screen. All the courses that you're enrolled in will have the blue enrolled badge in the top left-hand corner. Click through to the course that you want to complete. Scroll down past the course description into the course content. Expand the modules and then click through into the lesson or the module that you want to start with. You can also access through your user dashboard. Click through into the dashboard. All of the courses that you're enrolled in will appear on your profile. Click through into the course that you would like to start completing. It will take you back to the course page. Again, scroll down past the course description into the course content, expand, and select the lesson that you want to start with. Everything must be done sequentially, so you need to start at the beginning, and you need to make sure that you click Mark as complete for each topic and module. As you'll see on the left-hand side, there is the menu which you can click through at any time. You can click through into any lesson or module at any time, but just because you've looked at something doesn't mark it as complete. So you must make sure you mark as complete every single lesson and module if you want to be able to receive your certificate at the end. As you will see, it does allow you to click through to the next topic, but it doesn't mark that complete. You can see on the left-hand side that module has not been given the black tick, so it is an uncompleted module, so it will prevent you from gaining your certificate. When you're ready to leave the online learning system, simply move up to the Blush Academy logo in the top left-hand corner, click it, and it will take you back to the website homepage.